I don't know. Let's see what this is like. What's up, Pete?
Get up, soldier. Scrub the bloody muck from your eyes. For the love of the Empire, get up!
God, my look sensitivity is way too fucking low. FPS Souls-like? Something like that. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't seen this game at all.
Friendly! On me!
The fuck? Man, I missed my 4K monitor. Yeah, nothing happened to the monitor. I'm just at my parents' place.
What the hell's wrong with you?
Wait. Oh, okay. Oh, wow.
Same colors, for fuck's sake.
Can I fucking block? Oh, hold control. Oh, God. Fucking control. Hold on, I'm binding my mouse. I'm gonna put block on my side mouse button. Might need side mouse for something else. No, it's fine. By the Emperor's authority, your unit, the Guard Enterel, is entrusted with the duty of paramount importance, protection of the consignment you escort. Protect this asset with your lives. You'll make your final stand where you are. There could be no retreat, no surrender. The Guard's duty is eternal. Your lives can be too. You're authorized to use lethal force one morning only. If ignored, strike without delay, regardless of rank. The Empire trusts you. Do not
The
fail.
Eternal God. Name to last makes one wonder what cargo is worth more than a man's life.
I mean, I do kind of want to bind parrot like block to right click, but then the problem is,
Not alone. Your efforts do not go unnoticed.
I don't know. Larksa said you have to edit like aiming is the right click, because I guess you have like guns or something. So it's like, I don't know. Aiming with not right click is like so fucking weird.
He's entirely lost to this madness.
Damn. No, I don't think I'm gonna use controller. Oh. Oh, come on. You can, like, block extremely fast.
I've never seen such a structure.
Damn, it's made of metal.
The trail's not yet cold. The Eternal Guard's cargo must be behind this blockade.
Can I use the cannon? Hey, soft browse.
I see you. All of you. Each and every one. Together and only together, we will triumph.
Doesn't seem like there's invis walls. Which is good. That's a nice view. The FOV isn't that low. It's at 90. Can go 95. Okay, there's a posture bar at Sekiro. Oh, now you combo. Okay. Damn, I need some fucking heals, man. Oh, shit. Oh, hell yeah. Pistol is a trusty sidearm, perfect for destroying weak spots. Oh, those. Okay.
I really think that Pierre's death was no coincidence. Quit your rambling, Graham. But listen, there's
Wait.
no such thing as a stray bullet. All is written.
Pierre couldn't even fucking read.
That didn't stop his foul mouth. The other day, he moaned about the petit corporal himself. And that's what got him killed.
That one we can all agree on. Bonaparte's going to get us all killed one day.
Okay. Can move quite fast in this game. What's that? Is there any bonfires around here? I'm looking a little hurt. Oh, I think we found one. Rekindle. Ah, there's lanterns. It's Bloodborne. Oh my god. Health and neptoglobin. No, I'm not streaming in 1440p. Not right now. I have 1440p stream set up back at home, but I don't know. I know some people have issues with the stream on 1440, like it doesn't work on some like apps and stuff. Some enemies unleash unblockable attacks cannot be blocked or parried and identified by a red glow. Can I Makiri counter? Dodge? Oh, I see. I see. I mean, just because 1440p isn't supported doesn't mean you can't watch the stream, though. Yeah. I mean, left alt isn't that bad for dashing. Oh, okay. I was wondering if I could go in the water. Well, at least it didn't instantly kill me. What's that? Oh shit. Do I have magic? Oh. Oh.
Who was that man and what has he done to me?
Our first plasmid, yeah. So how do I switch back to the gun? Wait a second, is there anything over this way?
Let's see if one gesture is all it takes to burn it down.
Life diverted. Blast now restore. Oh. Okay. How do I switch back to my pistol? One, two, three. Please tell me the weapon wheel isn't the only way to do this. Oh, God. Ew. Yeah, you can use mouse wheel, I guess. Hmm. It was just enough.
It's a nightmare. We are both Emperor soldiers.
What the fuck you, dude? Oh my... Dude! There's somebody behind me. Damn.
Shall lead you towards the most fertile land.
Damn, it's kind of far away.
But I cannot move your limbs for you, nor can I strike the blow in your stead. The march belongs to the soldier alone.
Oh. Who was it that fucking attacked me from behind before, dude? Is it this guy? Oh my god, who the fuck are you? Can I not fucking block that? Oh, that was the red attack. Oh my god, dude, that does so much damage. Oh my god, how the fuck do... Oh, I'm fucking dead again, bro. That was great. That was fantastic. Bro, let's run back though. It is kind of skill issue. I'm getting used to the keybinds in this game, which are kind of awkward. Oh, there's like a sprinting attack? No, it's not annoying. I mean, the enemy is fine. I'm just bad, man. Just not used to it. I don't know if that's the guy that's been chasing me here. I guess you have to, like, dodge. Okay. Fuck, that's so fast. Oh. Bro, he just keeps fucking spamming that. Dude, like, I don't realize. I don't know what is wrong with me, but. Man. It's like, the problem is, it's just so awkward dashing with alt. Like, I want to change the dash, but then. Honestly, dude, I think I might change the keybinds. I think Larks was right. Alright, let's try this again. With our new binds. I feel like having a stamina bar in like a first-person game feels so weird. I pressed the wrong button now. Nice. Dude, it's like I actually have such a hard time reacting to that. Oh, I did it. Oh my god, it's so fucking fast, dude. Like I no longer notice the day's ending, a slow gray march. I do not guard a fortress or a pass, I guard a box. My patrol means nothing, there's nothing to see. I'm told to die for a secret I do not know. The general's words fade in the silence. I wait not for the battle, but for something, anything to give this absurd vigil a shape. The waiting itself is the enemy now. I fear it will devour me before any order ever comes.
But never inquire as to its contents. The perfect soldier's epitaph.
Red means you have to dodge. I feel like the problem is by the time you realize it's the red attack, it's like you're already getting hit. Is there fall damage? Okay, so we can use this. Was that enter? Oh, you can't crouch while sprinting. Unbelievable. Is there anything else over here? Where's my slide? My stamina. I keep pressing the wrong button, man. I'm like... Should have just switched the keybinds right away. Yeah, we can equip that, like, thing that we got. Is it in the level up screen? Ah, yes. Hmm. We can try this thing. Burn. What was that? I swear I saw like an item I could pick up or something. That's so weird. Why did that pop?
You fucking rats! Freedom comes at a price!
What the fuck is that? Oh, right. My flasks don't heal me anymore, and... Man, I feel like the problem... Like, the game isn't necessarily that difficult, it's just the keybinds, man. I just... it's like the hardest thing to get used to. I should have just changed the keybinds right off the rip. I, like, played for 15 minutes, and now my brain is, like... going back and forth between what keybind I should be using. Actually heals quite a lot. The distance? I mean, it's because my FOV is kind of high. Honestly, I kind of liked it when it was a bit lower, but... Fuck, get back here. Who just shot me?
What on earth was that thing?
Ugh. Heal me. This is a memory or something?
Grenadiers, with me! We'll plug that gap ourselves!
Reminds me of Witchfire. Witchfire was a lot of fun. I wonder when that game's gonna, like, fully release. I actually really liked Witchfire, but I didn't really want to play it too much because the game isn't actually out yet. Anything else over here? The fuck is that? Can I sneak attack him? Oh, not anymore. Oh. Okay. 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 I don't know if I like this, like, perk that we have on. Oh my gosh.
Friend from foe.
What is happening? My God.
Please, dear. Be the mud. I will become mud. They can't see me. They can't kill what they cannot see.
He has become mud. He is the mud man. Oh no. Oh, damn. Chop that guy's head right off. This fucking gunner guy is... Bro, are you kidding me? Wait, I have a hand grenade? Oh. Remnants restore more globin. Sure. What is this new one I got? Destroying an enemy's weak point causes an explosion. Try that one instead. Alright, hold on. I gotta go to the bathroom, chat. I'll be right back. Be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm not playing with the controller because it's first person. Also, Maravikes, thank you for the $5.
May it serve you well.
What the?
Wait, I see the light of a man in your eyes.
You can post your link
I
in the
still
chat
hold
if you
on to
want.
that belief. Yes.
I do hope you are not a thief.
Is that meant to be an insult?
An insult? No. This is no place for... It is a simple warning. Do not meddle with my work. Especially when you have already seen its benefit. The light in those lanterns. It is of my own design.
I have 1,000 questions.
This is no time for... I saw you strike
What
down
the-
that officer, Tony.
Where the hell did these guys come from? Okay. Oh, that was the explosion. How am I not fucking parrying this guy? What is going on?
There's a brief respite. Beware on the road ahead.
Thanks for ruining the dialogue. I didn't do it. Blame the fucking enemies, man. Damn.
Steady now, lads! Aim true! Make every shot count! Fire on my command!
Oops. Butcher's Carnage.
Even the crows refuse to feast on these bodies.
Seize the world with your own two hands. Forge the future with the steel you carry at your side. Do not forget, courage never goes unnoticed. Perseverance is always richly rewarded. The Emperor's love is eternal, and the Empire never turns its gaze from its heroes.
Get some more health. Is it boss time?
Anyone? Is anyone? hell is that?
I command thee, kneel. He's got Morgoth's curse blade. So fast. Oh, it's so... It's a lot of damage, though. Oh, come on. How are these not blocks? Fuck. Thanks for telling me how to parry game. Damage. Can we burn him? Damn it. So fast. I feel like he has a phase 2. There's no way this is it, right? Man, the heal is so slow. Oh my god. Alright. You can't, like, animation cancel the heal or anything, so you really have to, like, make sure you're safe. Man, fuck. I'm cooked. fuck is that? Okay. He summons fucking guns. Nice. Alright, well, we definitely need to get through phase 1 without, like, fucking up too much. Will this restore my health? Yeah, that was good. No, that's not what I meant to do. Parry this. Ah, fuck it, whatever. No, that's not what I keep. Nice. Thank you for playing. Wait, so you could play a different chapter, Witch Hunt, I guess, as well? Larks. Yeah, this game's cool. I guess we could do the other level. I have a different weapon. Oh, you can destroy the weak points with the rapier. Hold Alt to veil yourself in a protective barrier that can block enemy attacks. Releasing Alt after defending an attack will launch a damaging wave in front of you. Oh. Musket is a long-range firearm. I will say they really need to, like, I don't like that the weapon wheel is like how I don't know, like, I feel like you having used the weapon wheel just like breaks the flow of combat. Yo, what's up, Nems?
Look at this place, covered in cheap propaganda.
There's a quick swap button. I don't think there's any way to swap between the weapons other than to use your scroll wheel. You tap it? Yeah, but how do I choose what I want?
Though the whole city lies in ashes, the lighthouse still guides ships that shall never come.
People need the beacon of hope. Now more than ever.
It's the last one you used? Yeah, that's what I mean though. It's like, I mean, look at how many slots there are here. Like, by the end of the game, you're gonna be juggling through like fucking 10 different things. I mean, I'm sure you can just beat the game, like, you don't have to use everything, but for somebody who wants to, it's just kind of awkward. Needing to use the weapon wheel.
Boom, boom, boom! No! We're not blowing the gate up just yet. We have to wait until the deadlies get closer. You have to be quiet. Do you understand? Yes. Shh. A good mouse is quiet. Very quiet. And then... Boom! Boom! Boom the gate! For the Shrike!
Where the fuck am I going? Oh, well. Wait a sec. I think we can do a skip. I guess I was supposed to like drop around the wall. Oh. Oh, it's just right here. Okay. Damn, look at that damage. Let's try to do the shield thing. Oh, fuck. How much damage? Fuck am I stuck on? Honestly, I'm enjoying this game quite a lot, though. I'm excited for the full release of this. This is fun. The only thing I don't like is the weapon wheel. Yeah, I almost feel like it would be better if they made it so that, like, you could press... I almost wish the weapons were just, like, 1 through, like, 9 or something. Well, anything past, like, 6 is kind of off, or, like, 5 or 6 is kind of awful to press, but... It'd be nice if you could just, like, bind each one individually. And then have the inventory be, like, something else. At least for keyboard mouse. Obviously controller kind of needs to use like the weapon wheel, I think. Why not leave feedback? Well, it's most of the time it doesn't matter. You remember that Souls-like game, Inotria? Oops. They specifically like... Oh my god, yeah, you took a lot of fall damage. I remember I filled out like a huge like feedback thing for them, giving them, because they wanted like feedback from us. So I filled it out, and I don't think a single thing that I like suggested was implemented. Most of the stuff that I suggested was like quality of life things, but where the hell am I supposed to go here? I can't go up. Oh, I see. Yeah, Notria was cool, but I feel like their priorities were not good. Like, the thing about Inotria that was crazy to me is that they're like paying all of our, like, all these creators, like, so much money they're like sponsoring so many people, and they couldn't even like they're spending all this money to like promote the game, and they couldn't even hire like voice actors. That was like the craziest thing to me. Is like a lot of the NPCs didn't even have like voice lines. Oh, could I have just like blown them all up? Sponsorship with Comcast.
I hear them coming. My time is running out.
Your time is already up, Rich.
Wait, so what level am I? I imagine it's pretty expensive level up. How much do these grenades do? It's not bad. Kinda looks like Penetrator. Oh my god, it's so delayed. Alright, yeah, just shit on me. That's good. Dude, his fucking moves are so, like, fast. Yeah, the shield hand doesn't seem that good. But I like the fire, because it actually, like, stuns the enemy when they get lit on fire. Oh, yeah. Get fucked.
Please hurry.
Quiet. Someone's coming.
Grown up. A real, alive grown up.
Hand. He has both hands, both legs. And no guts are spilling from his belly.
Is this a... Are they... Are they in here? What's going on? Or was this like a memory? Rules to be a good mouse is clever. The fuck is that?
Thank you, mister. You sliced that nasty, nasty deadly up real good. Squashed him like an old pumpkin. We're not afraid of deadlies, of course. Yeah, it's truly hard to be a good spy when a deadly blocks the door.
Pipe down, Mimi. You're telling him all our secrets. We don't even know if he's a believer.
Oh, yes. Do you believe
Pickle
in a
pea and
shrike,
pumperum.
mister?
I do. She seems to be quite real. Do you?
Of course. All of the mice believe in the Shrike. All of us.
Mice?
We are the mice. We are the Shrike's loyal spies.
Loyal spies will pluck out your eyes.
Shut up, Teddy. It's my turn to talk.
You need to spook him a little. Say you will cut off his fingers and use them as crayons.
Yuck. That's nasty, Teddy.
Why are you here all alone? Where are your parents?
Oh, we don't ask that question here. It makes us sad. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I have oil grenades.
The ode to the Shrike.
I wonder if I can...
Looks incomplete, like it's missing a few verses. It seems...
Good
I have
mouse
not
is
a good
quiet.
mouse.
I guess, wait, what does it say the oil grenades do? Creating a fiery surprise. Oh, I thought it might have been like Bloodborne where it like increases fire damage or something. Can I get a level up? Oh. Gain health by striking enemies with melee attacks. You can no longer use flasks. Restore health when performing criticals. That seems good. Headshot damage. Stamina cost of melee attacks. Sure. No, it's not a new demo or anything. I mean, I don't know when this demo came out. I'm kind of behind on playing this, I think, but it's fairly recent. Yeah, it's been fun so far. I'm enjoying it. Could choose another passive. I don't think I could. Oh, you mean the... Yeah, you're right. The Mortal Shell 2 demo was decent. I feel like it was a little easy, but I enjoyed it. I wonder when we're gonna get, like, Lords of the Fallen demo. Yeah, I mean, Mortal Shell 2 is definitely shaping up to be better than Mortal Shell 1, for sure. Damn, what was that explosion? Welcome to game 3, yeah. Yo, what's up, man? I think I can, like, blow this guy up. Dude. This guy's strong. Did you beat Gothic yet, Ain? The game's fucking long, man. I've seen you guys have all been playing it for quite a while. Still early on, damn. I don't know why I expected that. I don't know what I expected there.
Here comes the Shrike. Here comes the Shrike. The Shrike will put you on a spike.
Okay, we got a shortcut now. That's good. Is this the door that I was trying to go through? Oh, it's a different door. The indicators for attacks are really nice. I don't think I would have parried that guy otherwise. Okay. What the?
The Shrike will make you scream and squeal. The Shrike will stretch you on a wheel.
I have 2 different melee weapons. I have a saber and a rapier. I kind of like the rapier more though. Dude, I can't block. Oh, you know, I probably should have went back to the checkpoint. I only have 1 heal left. Well, done now. I don't know if I could have blocked that. I tried. It's kind of satisfying poking with this thing. Yeah, they do kind of look like RE4 villagers. Oh, what the? Oh. I'm so fucked.
You heard? The Shrike last night said Napoleon's end is coming.
Be wary of those who promise much. Shrike is all about.
I assume you've met the Shrike's most loyal subjects.
You mean the children?
They call themselves mice. And I would take them seriously if I were you. After all, this city belongs to them.
A city of orphans. What a heartbreaking place.
Indeed. This war has taken everything from them. They've nothing left.
Except for the Shrike.
Yes. She gave them hope and provides for them. Most of the time, at least.
How have they managed to survive here?
Being small in a city of monsters is a huge advantage. The kids have their own infrastructure of hidden passages, tunnels, corridors, and if you treat them right, they might let you use them.
You actually heal over time in this game, which is pretty nice. It's not much, but... Is it the thing I have equipped, though? I don't think it is. I'm pretty sure the one I have equipped is for the Globin. I thought it was for, like, your... Is it? Maybe you're right. Could have sworn I, like, regen... I thought the relic was for the... Maybe it's for both? So my mana is also regenning. I don't know. You have 3 on. Yeah, but I don't think... God, they can get through there? Where the hell was... Yeah, it was out here. Yeah, I really need to get that shortcut unlocked. It's gotta be this way. Oh god. Oh good god. Alright. Oh no, you are right, it is... Yeah, this one does do health over time. I didn't look at what that one did. You are correct. I'm gonna get some more health, I guess. What is this? What does this do? Oh, it's like a fire resin. Okay. Yeah, you're like pre-leveled in this. You can play the first level of the game. And you can play, I don't know, like the 4th mission, I think it said. Oh my god, dude, I'm like... I'm stuck. That was awful. I'm not gonna worry about the lore. I don't know. When we play through the game, we can read all that stuff. How do I get upstairs? Whoa.
She had it coming. The French army has
God.
arrived at her doorstep. And they're knocking.
Time is of the essence. Hurry up, William.
This is... Dude, these fucking grenades suck. Oh my... Dude! Oh my god, the heal is so slow! fuck, man. Dude, having 2 of these guys on you is like... is just death. Is there anything else upstairs? Damn it. I don't even need to kill this guy. What am I doing? Looks like there's... It does kind of look like there's something up there. I see a symbol on the wall, but I don't know. Maybe if I go from here. Oh, yeah.
It sees the truth, it knows your lies. Its loyal spies have many eyes.
I assume you've met the Shrike's most loyal subjects.
You mean the children?
They call themselves mice. And I would take them seriously if I were you. After all, this...
Okay, so... Is there a big guy in here? Oh yeah, let's try to kill him. Oh, come on. Why is the second guy here, man? I was like, okay, finally, I'm like in a building. Surely I can just fight this guy on his own. And then, of course, this other guy shows up. The fuck, man? No. Oh. Dude, I just can't. I'm just getting fucking filtered by these fucking enemies. I keep pressing the wrong button still, man. I'm so bad. Alright, the thing is, I still don't really know where I'm supposed to go. Like, I don't know if I need to find all the nests. Oh god, here we go again. Alright, just lock in. Right, that has a follow-up. Wow, he like held that for so long. Or maybe it's because time was slowed. There we go. I'm dead. Dude, I literally can't fucking move. I can't move! He's pinned me against the wall! Oh my god, dude. Just want to fucking kill these guys so I can explore, man. Holy shit. Stop aggroing both? Okay, yeah, let me try. Except they're right next to each other. Like, what do you want me to do? This other one's... Yeah, okay, of course. The other one's just here. He just fucking knows. Need to make sure we have space. Okay. Dude, there's just, it's fucked. It's fucked. It's all fucked. How this guy aggroes. So many, such fast fucking attacks. Why do the bodies have to have collision after you kill them? Ugh. We aggroed one. fucking... Dude, for fuck's sakes! Dude, this fucking dog. Just fucking die, dude. Holy shit! Yeah, the struggle is real. All right. This is where I jumped up. Had a gun this whole time. Yeah, but it's... The gun doesn't do that much unless you're shooting, like, the weak spot. Not really sure where I'm meant to go forward, though. Can see there's stuff over... I think I need to get over there. I guess that's why you have to jump up here. What do the special cartridges do? Refill your special ammo pouch? Oh, maybe that's like the musket, I guess. Okay. Oh my god. Surprised that didn't hit me. I think these guys blow up from the... The barrel on their back does blow up, but it takes a while, I think. Nice. Might just get more health. Is the game any good? Yeah, it's fun. I'm enjoying it a lot so far. The performance is not great, I will say. Yeah, it's fun. I'm on my, yeah, I think I'm on my 4090 right now on this PC. I have a different PC, like I'm in my parents' place right now, and I'm on a different PC, my old PC. Oh, burn. Burn. What the? Is there anywhere else? Thought I saw a path like back here. I don't think you can burn that wall. Looks way different. Oh wait, now the wall. Okay, I see. Might have just been a side area. That's where I came from. We went over there. I guess I can rest. I think we can get like 2 more levels. Maximum level in the demo has been reached. Oh shit. Alright. I think it's boss time. This boss seems pretty easy so far. Maybe he's gonna have a phase 2 though. Probably will, because this is really easy. Oh, it's so delayed. Oh shit, okay. It's like, it's hard to know if they're gonna do follow-ups. Damn it. How is that not a fucking parry? There we go. Oh shit. The health restore when you critical is pretty nice. Alright. Oh my god. Oh, nice. Die.
It's done. She lies in ruin.
Did she survive the collapse?
That was cool. Honestly, the first boss was harder than this one. Yeah, it was fun. All right, well, the question is, what to do next?